Do question 35. So it's determine the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a hexagon. So what it says is we have a hexagon, and if we add up all the angles on the inside, how much is that? So hex has an x and 6 has an x. So that means it's a shape with 6 sides. So let me draw a shape with 6 sides. So there's a hexagon. So step 1, it has 6 sides. And then you have to say how many triangles can I cut this into? I can cut it into 4 triangles. And if you don't want to draw it, you just minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4 triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2, you say, okay, I have 4 triangles. In each triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. So if I add up all these angles in this triangle, it's 180 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees. So it's 4 times 180 degrees, which is 540 degrees. So if you add up all the angles in a hexagon, it's equal to 540 degrees. Now let's do a pentagon. Pentagon is the CIA building in the United States, 5 sides. So the first step, you have 5 sides. Oops, that looks funny. Let's do that again. 5 sides. So how many triangles is that? You can draw and cut it if you want. 1, 2, 3. But it's always just minus 2. 3 triangles. So each triangle has 180 degrees. So I go 3 times 180, and that's equal to 500. How much is that? Oops, this is wrong. Let me use my calculator. I looked at the wrong thing. 4 times 180 equals 720 degrees. Don't listen to me. Make sure I use a calculator. Here, 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. Let's just check with the calculator. 3 times 180, yeah, okay, so this one is 540 degrees. Okay. Now the last one is determine the measure of an, that means 1 interior angle. So I have to find the total, just like this, but then I have to do the third step and find out how much for 1 angle. So nonagon has 2 ends, so it's 9, because it has 2 ends. That's my trick to remember. So step 1, it has 9 sides. To find out how many triangles, I just go 9 minus 2 equals 7 triangles. Step 2, if I have 7 triangles, each triangle has 180 degrees, and so that's 1260 degrees, but I'm going to check my calculator. 7 times 180, yes. So in total, the nonagon has 1260 degrees, but that's for everything, for all 9 angles. I want to find for 1 angle. For 1 angle, okay, I just go to 1260 divided by, how many sides does it have? 9. So divide by 9, 140. Oops, 140. Okay, so when it says determine the measure of an interior angle, that means 1 interior angle. So that means you have to do step 3. Okay.